The approximate amount of aluminium present in K Monel is A 26, B 0.15, C 2.75, D 99. The correct answer is 2.75. The approximate percentage of chromium present in Inconel is A 42, B 6.5, C 0.25, D 13. The correct answer is 13. Monel consists of approximately of copper, A 30, B 1.4, C 0.1, D 16. The correct answer is 30. The amount of carbon present in low carbon steels is A 5 to 7, B 0.70 to 2.2, C 0.10 to 0.30, D 0.6 to 0.8. The correct answer is 0.10 to 0.30. The melting point of K Monel is around A 2400, 2460 C, B 1245 floor, C 2400, 2460 F, D 1064, 1890 F. The correct answer is 2400, 2460 F. The density of Inconel is A 22 gram per cubic centimeter, B 8.51 gram per cubic centimeter, C 123 gram per cubic centimeter, D 45 gram per cubic centimeter. The correct answer is 8.51 gram per cubic centimeter. The density of rolled Monel is A 19.1 gram per cubic centimeter, B 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter, C 32 gram per cubic centimeter, D 8.8 gram per cubic centimeter. The correct answer is 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter. K Monel is typically manufactured by adding a little in Monel. A aluminium, B titanium, C copper, D silicon. The correct answer is aluminium. Welding on Inconel is done A with difficulty, B easily, C hardly, D wretchedly. The correct answer is easily. The steel being used in the construction of aircraft must be to fabricate A moderate, B difficult, C impossible, D easy. The correct answer is easy. It is possible to harden K Monel through A cloud treatment, B gold treatment, C proof treatment, D heat treatment. The correct answer is heat treatment. Monel is utilized in A non-chemical applications, B schools, C aerospace purposes, D industries. The correct answer is industries. K Monel is a material A ferrous, B non-ferrous, C proxy-ferrous, D anti-ferrous. The correct answer is non-ferrous. Inconel is a heat material A conducting, B accepting, C resisting, D exhausting. The correct answer is resisting. Machining of the nickel alloy Monel can be done A with hardships, B trapped, C without hardship, D impossibly. The correct answer is without hardship. A large amount of sulphur is present in the steel A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. Monel is used with great frequency in manufacturing aircrafts A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is false. A nickel-chromium alloy can maintain its ductility even after being heat-treated it to an ultimate tensile strength of 250,000 p.s.i. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. Inconel is considered to be a non-ferrous material. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.